AI is not replacing people. People using AI are replacing people who are not using it. And most people still don't understand how big this shift is. Right now, two people can work for the same 10 hours, but one person using AI can get 10 times more results. Same time, same laptop, completely different output. And this is creating a new divide in the world. Not rich versus poor, but people who know how to use AI and people who don't. People think AI is just another tool, but it's much bigger than that. Every big change in history created new winners. During the Industrial Revolution, people using machines became powerful. During the Internet Revolution, people using technology got ahead. And now, in the AI revolution, people who know how to use AI will move ahead very fast. Just think about it. One person can now use AI to write content, create designs, do research, reply to emails, build presentations, and even start business faster than ever before. Work that earlier needed a full team and now one smart person can do alone with AI. Thus the real shift happening. AI is giving normal people powerful leverage. In the old days, success mostly came from hard work. Work more hours, put more effort, hustle more. But now, just hard work is not enough because AI rewards people who work smart, people who learn fast, people who know how to use systems, people who can make better decisions quickly. And honestly, this is why many people feel nervous about AI because deep down they know the rules are changing. The people learning AI today are becoming faster and more powerful every single day, and the people ignoring it are slowly falling behind. So the biggest mistake right now is saying I will learn AI later because AI is not just a trend. It is becoming a new way of working, building and growing. The future will belong to the people who learn how to work with AI, not people who avoid it. Because AI is not replacing humans. Humans using AI are replacing humans who don't. Thank you so much for listening. I will keep making these kind of videos. Please do subscribe. We'll connect you in the next week. Thank you.